how does that impact your life?
Oh, I didn't see this coming.
This woman caught a ride with us because insurance companies refuse to insure her Kia. In a letter, one insurance company told her she is uninsurable because of the make and model of her car.
These kinds of refusals started last year when thousands of Kias and Hyundais were stolen all across the country. That stolen car trend has slowed down here, but insurance companies still have a red X over the Kia. Here's Chief Investigative Reporter Berkeley Breen getting answers on the road.
Hi, Lynn.
How are you?
After insurance companies denied her coverage and Lynn Smith faced the prospect of losing her license, she sold her 10-year-old Kia Optima. She's been without a car for 8 days.
So part of the reason why we're doing this interview while I'm driving is because this whole situation has left you without a car.
That part, yes, sir.
In letters to her in March, Progressive Insurance declined to offer Smith insurance coverage because of the make of one or more vehicles is not acceptable for new business. Smith's Kia was a 2013.
I'm out of a car now. I'm out of a car. I got to live out of pocket now because the insurance I can't afford for a car I owned.
How is it that insurance companies can deny coverage to people just because of the kind of car that they drive?
Well, that's one of the rating factors. They've got to take a look at what the car is and what its loss history is. So
Lynn McChristian is the Director of Risk Management and Insurance Research at the University of Illinois. Last year in Rochester alone, someone stole or tried to steal almost 4,000 cars, and most were Kias and Hyundais. McChristian says insurance companies are right to consider this.
And there's certain models of cars lately that are claims waiting to happen.
It's a very bad situation, and it's an example of bad behavior by insurance companies.
Michael DeLong is a researcher for the Consumer Federation of America. He says insurance companies should make decisions based on driving history, tickets, crashes, and claims.
We don't think they should refuse to insure you based on the fact that you have a Kia or Hyundai.
DeLong says Progressive, Allstate, and State Farm are three companies that have refused to insure certain Kias and Hyundais. In New York State, it's against the law to deny coverage based on race, creed, color, disability, gender, marital status, or advanced age. But the state allows insurance companies to make decisions based on specific makes and models.
And if an insurance company had just insured you,
Oh, I would have been fine. We wouldn't have had this conversation.
we wouldn't be in this car driving and talking about this right now.
Exactly.
Berkeley Breen, News 10, NBC.
We reached out to both Progressive and Kia. Progressive says, quote, "We've seen theft rates for certain Hyundai and Kia vehicles more than triple, and in some parts of the country increase by a factor of almost 20. Given that we price our policies based on the level of risk they represent, this explosive increase in thefts in many cases makes these vehicles extremely challenging for us to insure at affordable rates." Kia says it's working with insurance companies. The company wrote, quote, "We have processed over 1 million Kias since the theft deterrent software upgrade process began in 2023 and look forward to sharing new updates with all insurance companies as they become available."